really wanna perpetrate, cause this 38 will be designated for all those who hate it like a test. Man, I contemplated. Your moves you lose, now your hot you gave me. New moves, more dudes, now the top you made me. Same rules, new crews, now the clutch you made me.
Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back. I'm Van.
I'm Naya.
I'm JoJo.
And we are all the LFR family. And if you're not already with the LFR family, I'm going to need for you to hit that subscribe button right there, Jack. Hit that thing! Hit that thing! Also, if you look below this video, you'll see we have merch. Purchase yourself something, provide us with proof, and we'll do something for you, like a personalized reaction. Also, if you look below that in the descriptions below, you'll see other ways to support the channel. We got a P.O. box now, son. All right, so we about to check out some Machine Gun Kelly. The name of the song is Alice in Wonderland. And again, it's all because of our huge supporter, Juliana from Portugal.
Who is a woman?
Who is a woman? Because, you know, Juliana is such a feminine name that a man can't be named Juliana. Is that what you're saying?
No. Oh my gosh.
Don't be sexist, Naya. All right, so we about to check out this joint. And y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Without further ado, let's get it popping. Yeah, I was about to say that too. This must be a really old joint right here. And I wasn't gonna say it was really old because he don't have any tats on his chest. I was about to say because he looked like he ain't getting a gym yet. Like he looked really tiny.
Young.
All right.
Yeah, I was raised on the separate side of the tracks in the land where the wild things roam. Open up my trunk to see a tall Negro. Pick a leaf up at the stem, take it all to the dome. Calling it the Alice in Wonderland. Spiraling down to me, I'm betting all the time I'm stumbling. Collecting my senses from the sounds of thundering. Trees talking to me, wondering if I'll ever come again. Every single day until I'm seeing the sun again. Staring at the river, skipping rocks in the pond again. Stimulating every single cell when I'm pondering. And the green leaves are falling and shriveling like the summer aim. What shall I do? Where do I go? I want the fumes in, put the towel under the dough. I'm feeling the draw, puffing and releasing the smoke. It's not enough of me, I want it if you got it to show. There are things talking to me, mommy, I swear. I'm seeing figures in the dark and up and nobody's there. Intangible shadows are fucking with me, reaching for nothing. So I take a hit of the Alice, now I'm hoping for something. Fuck with the puffin', Emerald up, kicks in the huffin'. Treat it like Christmas turkeys, open up and get to the stuffing. See if I'm bluffing, I'm ready to go to the moon. I'll do whatever, whenever, promise to get me there soon. I'm lost in my own mind, where do I go? I swear this Wonderland's not what I used to know. Voices in my head telling me to go to Wonderland.
Twist it up, feel the smoke run up my hand.
Wonderland.
So twist it up, see if it choppy if you in.
Wonderland.
Send it back, let me show you how it begins.
Wonderland.
Where's my mind? I think I lost it in the end.
You know this again, guys. I just want to say,
Yeah.
what?
Like the little background noises.
Yeah. The singing.
Yeah, and because I think he gets a lot of that. I think a lot of that is influenced by Bone Thugs and Harmony. They do that. That's what they do. They got like a nice little chant in the background, and he just does it himself, and he does it well, man. This joint is nice. This joint is nice. I can tell it's old though.
Yeah.
I can tell it's
He
old.
still
though.
raps the same though.
Yeah, his rapping is on point though, but this you can tell it's older.
Send it back, let me show you how it begins.
Wonderland.
Where's my mind? I think I lost it in the end.
Take me to the twilight zone, no lights on. At the altitude where you be singing all the kites blown. Family concerned, I'm convinced that my mind's gone. And they right last night, first class flight gone. Mommy, why the fuck the flow? I got a mouth now. Conversating while I'm laying on the ground now. About face, told me to get out now. See the revolution up tomorrow in the clouds now. So far gone, but I'm not drizzy. Cleveland's on, but I'm not busy. No bone. With a who is it?
See, they keep on talking about the Bone Thugs and Harmony members now. Hey, baby, you okay?
Yes.
That's my sugar cookie. There I go.
But I'm not drizzy. Cleveland's on, but I'm not busy. No bone. With a who is it? I don't even know anymore. I swear I went crazy. All this talk about the life and the ice in the right hands could get you the dream and the nice tan. But they don't say the price of your life plus a slice of your soul as a man in your right hand. 21 as long as I call.
What, baby girl? What's up?
Nothing.
You sure?
I was thinking.
What were you thinking?
If all three of you were to send me $20, I'd have 60.
I'm not sending you any
Math.
money.
So
The magic of math.
I was wondering if all three of you could send me $20 to my Cash App.
No.
How about I send you nothing and you let us finish this reaction?
Anyways.
Later, Gravy. Love your face. You know I love your face.
Your life plus a slice of your soul as a man in your right hand. 21 as long as the car set right. Dropping my saliva, gave my card deck life. Queen of hearts trying to take away my best type. The ace of spades make a motherfucker bear right. Creepy crawler trying to stick up, give me bed bites. Hiding in the covers, keeping intruders at my bed light. Hug the pillow, keep it tucked under my head tight. So the tooth fairy, can I get up in my head nights? I'm lost in my own mind.
What's going on in this video?
It's a lot going on in this video.
I'm completely thrown off. I'm sorry.
You know what? Usually I'm there. By at least the half point of the song, I would know what the song is about. I have no clue. I have absolutely no. I apologize, guys, if I'm doing you a disservice in this song right here. I was just enjoying the song.
He's rapping really well, but I'm just so lost.
Sometimes I do that, man.
Is that what, Alice?
I mean, the hook is good. I just don't, I feel like it's just so much going on. Like, I'm focusing on so many different things. And maybe it's the video that's throwing me off. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm confused.
Yeah.
Where do I go? I swear this Wonderland is not what I used to know. Voices in my head telling me to go to Wonderland.
Twist it up, feel the smoke burn up my hand.
Wonderland.
Twist it up, sip it, chop it if you can.
Wonderland.
Sit back, let me show you how it begins.
Wonderland.
Where's my mind? I think I lost it in the end.
MySpace. Yeah, this game's super old. The MySpace joint. The person who made his beat put his MySpace account on the video. Yep, that was old as hell.
Old as a mud.
That was old as hell. Plus, you see the gel tats, man. The gel tat. Whoever tatted him up, bro.
Yeah, he must have got a new tattoo artist.
Yeah, he definitely got a new tattoo artist. The person who tatted him up tattooed him with his left hand, clearly right-handed, because them jerseys look horrible.
Yikes.
They probably spray off after the video or something. I don't know. I don't know. What y'all really think about it?
It was I listened to how I usually listen to songs that rap extremely fast. I just enjoyed the song. I don't really try to dive into the lyrics like you did.
It was cool. I mean,
That was a shot.
yeah, it was. It was cool though. Not my favorite, but I'm just kind of confused about it all.
I like
it was a lot going on, but I like the hook. Like, it was all of his songs are good songs. This is just not one of my favorites.
All right. Yeah, it was nice. But I'm a fan of Bone Thugs. I heard a lot of Bone Thugs from him. It was good to see MGK, you know, something really, really old of his.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it shows that he always had that thing, that it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, that it factor. But I enjoyed it. But, per usual, I want to hear what y'all got to say about this joint in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please be sure to do so on your way out the door. Once again, guys, I am Van.
I'm Naya.
I'm JoJo.
And we are all the LFR family. We look forward to seeing y'all on the next one, all right? Peace out.